New shock for the Mx500. Take the old one out. Here's your fittings. What do we got here? Looks like a 5. See, they're pretty much the same length. And we'll throw it in there and see what it does. It's the, I'll put a link, of course. HLT 100, 750. They had a 1,000-pound one, but I'm not very heavy, so I wanted more cushion. Don't off-road a whole lot, so just more comfort. All right, it's in. Came with its own spacers. I reused the original hardware because it was good, but it even came with new hardware, but I thought I'll save it for later. All right, sits the same. Let's see how it rides. All right, let's go. Safety first. Got the brake wires disconnected. Volts, goes pretty good up this hill. Man, that is night and day. Alright, so before with the stock shock, I sat on it, it wouldn't even really move at all. This one, when I sit on it, I don't know if I can video it somehow, let's try. There we go, let's sit on it, see if it comes in the video. You can kind of see it's moving, I don't know, I would guess 2 or 3 inches, maybe not 3, maybe 2. For me, I weigh 165, so that's plenty. If you're a little bit heavier, I would definitely go with 1,000. I like it, super comfy, you know, like just rides like Cadillac. So I'll put some links and hope it helps.